This video shows the transaction of climate change report on the OSBP version 2.0. Please note that in this video, we are using test environment. The actual production server will be available soon. URL is subject to change. To open the climate change transaction, the user must click the utilities to access the coverage. Click Coverage menu. If you have more than one coverage, you may type the agency description or the UACS code in Search tab, then double-click on your specific agency coverage. Click on BP Forms menu, and select Climate Change under Tags. When the transaction page opens, see to it that UACS code displayed on the Department Agency Operating Unit. Then, select the appropriate PAP type, activity type, and PAP description on the drop-down menu. Click Retrieve button, the data will display if record exists. If no workflows exist, a warning message will pop up at the right side, notifying to update your workflow. Click the arrow beside the Retrieve button. If workflow is added, the form is editable. Add, Save, and Cancel buttons are displayed. Click the Add button if you have an additional data entry. Then another window will pop up to add item. All fields are required. First, choose the climate code via drop-down menu, then select the appropriate region. Input the amount on MO and CO columns. You can add more items by choosing again the climate code and region via drop-down menu. You may also delete the whole data entry by clicking the red trash can button at the right side under Action menu on each rows. Please be reminded that Saved button is displayed if one or more required fields are missing. Now, if you're done, click the Save button. Notification will pop up indicating that your records successfully saved. You can edit data by just clicking the row. Grade columns are not editable while non-grade columns are editable. After editing data entries, click the arrow button beside the Retrieve, and click Save to save all the data entries, or Cancel if you want to disregard your entries. Again, data cannot be saved if one or more required fields are missing. You may also delete the whole data entry by clicking the red trash can button at the right side under Action menu on each rows. To encode on adjusted level, click Adjusted on the upper part in between Actual and Proposed. When shifting to Adjusted tab, confirmation message will be displayed. Just click Yes to proceed or No if you want to stay on current page. Do the same process for Adjusted and Proposed. To generate a report, click again the arrow button beside Retrieve and click whether you want to generate it on PDF file or Excel format.